DMart versus Blinkit, a grocery war you didn't know was brewing. One built on value, the other on speed. But what if I told you the man behind DMart just invented in Blinkit's parent company? Yes, Radhakrishna Damani, the retail king of India, quietly picked up a 0.5% stake in Eternal. Now, before you think it's a collab, it's actually not. It's more like Damani saying, I see where the game is headed, and he making sure that he is not missing out. See, DMart game has always been on low prices, bulk buying, and operational efficiency, whereas Blinkit focuses on instant delivery, convenience, and instant gratification. 10 minutes and your groceries are at your door. But as urban India starts valuing time as much as money, and that's exactly where DMart had to evolve. So they launched DMart Ready, their own version of quick commerce. Not 10 minutes, but 3 to 6 hour delivery. Not fast enough for city life, but still profitable. That 0.5% stake in Zomato gives DMart a backstage pass to learn from how Blinkit operates, how quick commerce scales, and where it burns money and how to make it profitable. So instead of fighting with Blinkit, DMart is learning from it. DMart playing the long game, mixing Blinkit speed with DMart value mindset. And it's not about cheap versus fast anymore. It's about value plus convenience together. That way, DMart is learning how to scale quick commerce without burning billions. Instead of competing head on, Damani is observing, learning, and adapting. DMart's combining Blinkit speed with its own value mindset because the future of grocery retail isn't cheap versus fast, it's value plus convenience together. This move teaches us a color business lesson. You don't always need to own the future. Sometimes you just need a small stake in it. DMart 0.5% investment is less about returns and it's more about relevance. They are turning competition into insight, and that's how legacy brands stay legendary.